PC troubleshooting and disassembly and assembly of the PC. So using the screwdriver, here the Phillips screwdriver to open the PC. So these are the steps. Simply remove. Remove the screws. Then we remove the covers. Then remove the cables inside. That is connected to our power supply. And remove the hard drive. That's the hard drive. Okay, remove the memory module. The drive connectors. Remove the power supply, screws at the back, take note of the screws. Then we have our power supply. We have our CD-ROM drive. Remove. Then time to remove the motherboard. Unscrew. Before we can remove the motherboard, so we're going to unlock first the fan, the cooling fan or the cooling system of the CPU. Okay, that is our CPU. Then unlock the screws of our motherboard. Take note of the screws for the motherboard. Okay, then remove the motherboard. Be careful of the back panel. That is the back panel case cover. Okay, so we have now the disassembled system unit. Okay, so this is our technician here in the lab, Mr. Ipao. Okay, so take note of the assembly of the system. So the last thing we have removed is the motherboard. That is the first part to be returned. Okay, so let's start the assembly part of our PC. Okay, so back panel first, snap on. And the motherboard, take note of the orientation towards the back panel cover. Alignment of the screws onto the casing. Make sure not to tighten first the screws. Tighten fully, hindi lang nag-hugton. So in this case, our system unit doesn't have any adapter cards attached. So no need not to worry about the portion of detaching the adapter cards. Okay, so take note of the alignment of our cooling system of our CPU. So this is a snap-on type locking mechanism of our cooling system. So make sure of proper alignment. Since this is made up of plastic material, and be careful of the fins. Okay, so make sure of the connections also. Okay, try to look at the alignment. screw. Hard drive. Baliskad. Take note of the orientation of the hard drive. Connectors are always facing here on the motherboard. Like that. Sentro sa CD-ROM. Then the power supply. Technique of the alignment also of the fan. Loosen top. Okay. Secure the screws first. Diagonal. Okay, so time to connect all the connectors. So don't you worry about the connectors of the pin assignment because these are CADE connectors already. So computer nowadays are using CADE connectors, so meaning of the CADE connectors you could not insert the connector unless it is on its proper alignment, okay, on the slides of its connections, okay, on its pin assignments. So there are some locking mechanisms that attach to it. So just like this one, so it has a lock here and has keys, okay. So this is a cable for our hard drives, SATA cables. Okay, so double check the connections. Final connection for our data cables of our hard drive. Sobra na bro. Okay, so the last memory. So check out for the pin assignment of the memory orientation. Pin orientation. Okay, double check the system unit, let it stand for missing connections, check. Before you're going to put the cover back, okay, slide and then put the screws at the back. Okay, let it stand, then return the power cable. Okay, and that's the final setup. Okay, so the only thing, the only tools that we used on this one is the Phillips screwdriver or the plus screwdriver. Okay, so this is the assembly of the system unit. So thank you Mr. Ipaw for the effort. Okay.